Hello students, let's continue with admission of partner. Page number 164, sum number 7. Sum number 7. The balance sheet of Medha and Radha, who share profits and loss in the ratio 3:1, is as follows. So balance sheet is given and some adjustments are given. My first step will be reading the adjustments and doing tick marking. The adjustment is on debtors, tick mark on debtors, furniture depreciated, tick mark on furniture, stock and plant and machinery, stock and plant and machinery. The capital account of all partners to be adjusted in the new profit sharing ratio. Okay, आगे new profit sharing ratio is given. Now in this problem, new profit sharing ratio is given. That is why we are supposed to calculate what? Sacrificing ratio. Now further, you are required to prepare. Okay. So first step, let's begin the postings. The mantra to do the posting is अंधा आदमी लाल लाल कपड़ों को रोज चमकाता. अंधा आदमी लाल लाल कपड़ों को रोज चमकाता. Asset debtors, that is 64,000. Stock, that is 40,000. Plant and machinery, that is 60,000. Furniture, that is 22,000. Land and building, no adjustment on it, 32,000. In liability, there is creditors, no adjustment. Bills payable, no adjustment, 8i and 20i. Next is bank overdraft, no adjustment on it, that is 20i. Next is capital by balance brought down. Medha and Radha. Medha is 1,20,000 and Radha is 40,000. And last partner is Krutika. Okay. Next is general reserve. Reserve किसका? Partners का. किसका? Partners का. By general reserve. Shullo. Ratio is 3:1. That is 12,000 and 4,000. Cash account. I'll write a working note number 1. That is cash account. To balance of cash, that is 78,000. Hope this is clear. So with this I complete the posting of the balance sheet. Let's come to the adjustments. Adjustment number 1. Krutika is taken as partner on 1st of April. She will pay 40,000 as her capital. She will pay 40,000 as her capital. So capital लाएगी cash account debit to Krutika. 40,000. Cash account तेरे debit में क्या लिखूं? To Krutika 40,000. Krutika तेरे credit में क्या लिखूं? By cash 40,000. Any props? No props. Any props? No props. आगे चलते हैं. And 2,500 as goodwill. And 2,500 as goodwill. So goodwill, cash account debit to goodwill. 2,500. Cash account तेरे debit में क्या लिखूं? To goodwill 2,500. Goodwill account तेरे credit में क्या लिखूं? So this is goodwill account. Working note number 2. By cash 2,500. जैसा goodwill आएगा, old partner खाएगा. जैसा goodwill आएगा, old partner खाएगा. Entry will be goodwill account debit to Medha to Radha, that is 2,500, will be divided in sacrificing ratio. How to calculate sacrificing ratio I have taught you. But once again, let us try to recap, rewind. Sacrificing ratio is nothing but what you are sacrificing. तुमने क्या sacrifice किया? पहले मैं 5 रोटी खाता था, अब जब एक नया पार्टनर आ गया है तो अब मैं रोटी ज्यादा खाऊंगा कि कम खाऊंगा? कम खाऊंगा। मतलब पहले का इनकम, मतलब पहले का रेशियो माइनस नया रेशियो, ओल्ड रेशियो माइनस न्यू रेशियो। मेधा राधा, मेधा का ओल्ड रेशियो क्या है? ओल्ड रेशियो मेधा का 3/1, मतलब 3:1, मतलब 3/4। और राधा का क्या है? 1/4 माइनस न्यू रेशियो ऑफ मेधा एंड राधा इज 3:1:1, दैट मीन्स 3/5 and 1/5, 3/5, 1/5। चलो खैचैक खैचैक पैचैक, 5 3s are 15 minus 3 4s are 12 upon 4 5s are 20, so answer will be 3/20। Similarly here, खैचैक खैचैक पैचैक, 5 1s are 5 minus 4 1s are 4 upon 20, that is 1/20, that is 1/20। So your sacrificing ratio is also same as the old ratio, that is 3:1। So 2500 को 3:1 में डिवाइड करेंगे तो डिवाइड बाय 4, 4 6 are 24, 2s are 8, 4 6 are 24, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20, 625 and multiply by 3, 3 5s are 15, 5 1 0 6 7, 3 7s are 18, 1875। So goodwill account तेरे डेबिट में क्या लिखूं? टू मेधा 1875, टू राधा 625। इनके अकाउंट में क्रेडिट में पाए गुडविल 1875 625। अरे बराबर है, क्लियर है। आगे चलते हैं। एडजस्टमेंट नंबर सेकेंड, प्रोविजन 5% ऑन डेटर्स लेस आरटीडी, 5% आएगा 3200 टू आरडीडी 3200। इजी है, अभी एडजस्टमेंट इजी है। फर्नीचर डेप्रिशिएटेड 20% लेस डेप्रिसिएशन 20%, 4400 टू फर्नीचर 4400। आगे स्टॉक एप्रिशिएटेड बाय 5%, एड एप्रिसिएशन 5% 2000 बाय स्टॉक 2000। आगे प्लांट एंड मशीनरी बाय 20%, एप्रिसिएटेड ना, स्टॉक एप्रिशिएटेड बाय 5% एंड प्लांट एंड मशीनरी 20%, और ये भी एप्रिसिएशन है। एड एप्रिसिएशन कितना परसेंट? 20%, 12,000 बाय फर्नीचर 12,000। अरे बराबर। आगे दैट मीन्स बाय प्लांट एंड मशीनरी 12,000। दैट मीन्स आई हैव completed the adjustments. Now only one adjustment is remaining, that the capital of account of all partners to be adjusted in new ratio. That means everything is over now. Okay, once again pay attention how to calculate the sacrificing ratio. When in the problem new ratio is given, then the goodwill is divided among the partners in sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio formula is old ratio minus new ratio. Old ratio of Medha and Radha 3/4 1/4 3:1, and new ratio is 3/5 1/5. It is given the problem, see there. Cross multiply, 5 3s are 15, 3 4s are 12 upon 5 4s are 20. Khachak khachak pachak. 15 minus 12 is 3/20, and here 5 1s are 5 minus 4 1s are 4/20, that is 1/20. So ratio is 3:1. So your goodwill is divided in the ratio 3:1. Okay. Now the last adjustment is the capital of all partners to be adjusted in the new profit sharing ratio. Partners, who are the partners? Medha, Radha and Krutika. Okay. New ratio is already given, no need to calculate. That is 3:1:1. So new capitals, कृतिका ने एक शेयर के लिए 40,000 लाई है, क्वेश्चन में दिया है, इट इज गिवन दैट कृतिका हैज गॉट 40,000। सो राधा एक शेयर के लिए कितना लाएगी? वेरी गुड 40,000 अच्छा है, एक के लिए इतना तो एक के लिए कितना, और तीन के लिए कितना इंटू 3 इज 1,20,000. So I have got the new capitals also. After getting the new capitals, you all have to do the closing part. Okay, अब closing part सिखाते हैं. Let's come to the closing part. The new capitals will go in the new balance sheet. Capital account Medha, Radha, Krutika 1,20,000, 40 and 40. Credit, so debit to balance carried down 1,20,000, 40 and 40. Okay, okay, okay. Close this account first. 14 minus 7,600 is 6,400. To partners capital Medha and Radha. 6,400 is divided in old ratio 3:1. So 4 1s are 4, 6s are 24 and 4,800. यहाँ पे डेबिट बाय प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एडजस्टमेंट 4,800, 1,600. Take total. The best part is Krutika's account will tally 40,000, 40,000. Next is 44, 45, 46, 225, 46, 225, 46, 625, 5, 2, 46, 2, 1, 46, 225. So here the total will be 1,20,000, 1,32,000, 1,32,000, 1,36,000, 1,37,000, 38,675. 1,38,675. 46,6,2, 46,225. So here you will get 6,225, and here you will get 1,8675. Okay, this will be 2. कहाँ जाएगा बैलेंस? क्वेश्चन में बोला है लोन अकाउंट में जाएगा. कल का बैलेंस करंट अकाउंट में गया था, लोन अकाउंट में जाएगा. यहाँ पे डेबिट क्रेडिट लोन अकाउंट, पार्टनर्स लोन अकाउंट लिखो, उसमें लिखो मेधा और राधा 1,8675, 6,225. Okay, your balance sheet will tally, but you have to take this cash 78, 80, 1,20,500, 1,20,500 by balance carried down, credit, debit, cash, working note number 1, 1,20,500. Okay, now your balance sheet will tally.